Hello guys, this is 27th December and you can see my total spend today is $3,517, and let me refresh the screen. You will be able to see that this is the real ad spend for today. And if I go to my ClickBank, you can see that today's revenue is $6,110. Yesterday was bad because of Christmas, so I paused my campaigns after 3 to 400 loss, but today it was running good. So let me refresh my screen. So you can see this is around $2,500 profit on 26th December. And you can calculate the ROI. ROI is over 80% for this day. So thank you guys. Keep following me, keep following my Instagram handle, keep following my Facebook profile, and I'll be posting these kind of stats regularly. Thank you guys.